Hello, Session. I'm back. For those wondering where I've been, I'm in Singapore right now, more specifically Apple Marina Bay Sands. Honestly, if you haven't been here before, what have you been doing? Because look at the store, it is amazing. I'm here to pick up a few of my orders. Obviously, I also had to get a tour of the entire Apple store and demo the new Vision Pro, which was the most trippy experience I've ever seen in my entire life. Here's a couple of pictures that I took while I was wearing my headset. While waiting for the staff to bring out my orders, I also tested the new Ultra 2 on my wrist, which honestly further justified my decision into getting the 42mm smaller series lens.